coming down through the yard next door.
Alright. Made my way over here. There's the gate between the houses. This is the driveway. You can see where the driveway ends up there, and then it's completely washed out. And how the water continues to run completely down the driveway, or what used to be the driveway. There's huge ruts in it now, and it's full of dirt, rocks, and other debris. See, this is the driveway, there's the gate.